In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to back up your documents and financial data in Zoho Books. Whether you are prepping for tax season or simply want to keep an offline record of your accounting history, following these steps ensures your data is safe and easily accessible. If this video helps you keep your business organized, please hit that like button and subscribe for more efficiency tips. Let's jump right into the software. The first thing you need to do is ensure you are logged into your Zoho Books account. Moving on to the actual process, navigate your mouse to the top right corner of the screen where you will see the gear-shaped icon labeled Settings. Give that a click to open your organizational configurations. Once the Settings menu expands, look down the list until you find the option labeled Developer Space. This is where Zoho stores advanced management tools. After clicking that, you will see a sub-option called Data Backup. Go ahead and select that to enter the backup dashboard. Now that you are on the Data Backup page, look for the button labeled Backup Now. Clicking this will trigger the system to bundle your financial records. When you click this, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. You will need to click the blue Take Backup button to formally begin the process. Keep in mind that Zoho processes these requests on their backend, so you don't need to stay glued to the screen. You will receive an official email from the Zoho team as soon as your backup file is compiled and ready for download. Once that email arrives in your inbox, head back to the Zoho Books tab and refresh your data backup page. You will now see a table listing your generated backups, organized by date. Simply click the download icon next to the latest entry to save your secure zip file directly to your computer. It is really that straightforward. If you ever need to restore your data or just want to maintain a quarterly audit trail, this is the safest and most efficient way to do it. If you found this guide useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.